Hi guys, just want to do a review on this Riedler handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. Perfect for home and car. So it's cool, you could use it for both, which is nice. It's small and compact, as you can see. This is the base right here that it stands on. You plug the charger in and into the wall. Comes with a brush to clean like inside the filter. Here's an extra filter. This is an attachment. This one's good for the car. Also flips up like that, and it's a little brush. Get in your upholstery, on the ground, whatever. Comes with this attachment. Has a little bit of grip right here to kind of scrub. Comes with one of these long attachments. So it lasts about 25 minutes of vacuuming, which is a fairly long time. It's pretty quiet. It has washable filters. And let me just show you how good this section is. It has a couple modes. So this is the lowest one. As you can see, it works really good already. And here's the higher setting. Just look how good this thing picks up. I mean, honestly, the suction power is great. It's really strong. I like it. I actually keep this in my car because it's pretty small. It goes under the seat of the back of my truck. I'm gonna do the review for the cordless vacuum in my car to show you how good it works. So we'll begin. Doing a good job picking up everything. The other stuff is stained. I don't know what that is in here, this little area. For the most part, that's worked very good. Go to the driver's side now. You can see a lot of grass and stuff. So yeah, it's compact. Like I said, I would definitely recommend, and does a great job.